What is going on, guys? My name is Joseph and welcome back to Money Block. Now in today's video, it's yet again another way of earning free cryptocurrencies. I think it's safe to say I can rename my channel from Money Block to Free Crypto, because that's all I've been giving you guys for like the past 2 to 3 videos. But nonetheless, it's another day, another crypto. Let's dive in. Now, for today's video, we'll be looking at a project called LBRY. That's LBRY. What is LBRY? Well, LBRY is a secure, open, and community-run digital marketplace where you can enjoy the latest content from your favorite creators as a user, not a product. Now, it is sometimes referred to as the decentralized YouTube. Now, just as how you see YouTube as a video haven for entertainment, that go-to place for entertainment, education, tutorials, you name it, the same applies for LBRY, but in a decentralized manner. Now, what do I mean by decentralized? Well, it means no one entity owns your content. YouTube, as you all may know, is a centralized platform. So if you have a YouTube channel with videos on it, all your content, all your videos on YouTube can be deleted, or your channel even terminated if you have ever breached their terms and conditions. So you have no control over this. Sometimes YouTube deletes videos for no apparent reasons as well. Case in point, the 2019 attack on various cryptocurrency channels. YouTube deleted thousands of videos of many of these cryptocurrency channels for no apparent reason. Now here I have a link to that. It speaks about the cryptocurrency influencers and how they felt on YouTube deleting these crypto related content. So you can check that out if you wish to. So many of these cryptocurrency channels were affected. Some to this date have not yet gotten their videos restored. That's just how it goes. Once it's a centralized entity, that's how it goes. So that crackdown led to some of these crypto YouTubers looking for an alternative, and that led to LBRY being adopted highly. So what they did was, most of them synced their YouTube videos with LBRY instantly as a form of backup and gaining LBC tokens. These are the native cryptocurrency for LBRY, LBC. So they synced their videos with LBRY as a form of backup and gain these LBC tokens in return. So that is one way in which we can earn LBRY tokens, or LBC, by syncing your YouTube channel with LBRY, which copies all of your videos off YouTube and onto your LBRY account instantly. So the syncing process also, as I've mentioned, rewards you with LBRY tokens based on the amount of subscribers that you have on YouTube. I've seen someone I've seen someone with about 10,000 subscribers sync their YouTube channel with LBRY and gain approximately 200 US in LBC tokens. Not bad. So the more subscribers you have, the more you can earn, and you don't have to worry about your sync videos. They remain on YouTube as well, so it's not affected whatsoever. So if you have a channel on YouTube with tons of content, tons of videos, tons of subscribers, then you can opt to sync your content with LBRY, earning free tokens in the process, and your content still remains on YouTube. So it's a win-win for both parties, right? So let us now look at the LBRY platform. Right, so this is the LBRY platform. These are all the content, these are all the videos that I can watch. I mean, if you're familiar with YouTube, if you have used YouTube, you basically would already have a general knowledge of how this thing works. So these are all the videos I can click on them, watch them, I can even offer a tip to the person that's published these videos. So these are all the persons that I've followed on LBRY. So when you follow a person, it's similar to subscribing to a person's channel on YouTube. So you hit the follow button, so all the future videos will be shown here from that particular person that you followed. Right, so let's head here. This is the publish option. So if you wish to upload a video, you can do so here. Just head here, choose the file, choose the location, and then upload that file and publish it. You can opt to create a new channel if you wish to, right here. Here you can see the list of channels that you currently own. So of course my channel MoneyBlock is right there. You can click on rewards, I'll get to that later. Invites, if you click on my channel here, you can see all of the content that I have under my channel. So these are all the content that I actually synced from YouTube. Right, so you can head to invite if you wish to invite persons and earn bonuses. You can do so here. Let's head to rewards. Now I must say though, LBRY is one of the most generous platforms that I've seen out there for quite some time. There are so many ways, there are myriads of ways in which you can actually earn free LBC tokens. One way in which you can earn is by actually watching videos. So here you can watch stuff and earn more for each unlocked level. So currently I'm heading up to level 3, so I think I need 50 views or 50 videos. I need to watch 50 videos in order for me to advance to the next level. So I currently have 32 views, which is 32 videos. So I've watched 32 videos since my registration on LBRY. So once I've attained that 50 video threshold, I can instantly claim these 6 LBC tokens, and then I'll be bumped up to the next level where maybe I will need to watch like 100 videos. You get the point, and it's ongoing. So you can earn a lot of tokens this way. You can earn by setting an inviter, so some extra LBC tokens for you and the person that helped you discover LBRY. Faithful follower, level 4. So follow your favorite creators. So you follow 25 creators for level 4. I currently follow 10 creators, so if I follow 50 more creators, I can instantly claim these 10 LBC tokens. Coveted creator, level 1, loneliest number. Gain a following to earn this reward. One verified follower needs to follow me in order for me to claim this 1 LBC. So yes guys, sign up, register, and give me that follow so I can get that 1 LBC tokens. I'm begging you. No, I'm not, but yeah. Invites. Earn 20 LBC for inviting a friend, an enemy, frenemy, or any friend. So you can generate your own referral link. I think I will generate my referral link and add it to the description box. So if you feel free to give me some LBC tokens, you can do so by registering with my referral link. And final way in which you can earn is through the daily watch reward program. So you earn a random reward for at least 1 LBC of at least 1 LBC for watching anything at all. So every 24 hours you can claim this reward. So once you watch the video, 24 hours has transpired, you watch another video, you can continually claim this reward, and you actually get between 1 to 100 LBC tokens. I must say, when I initially signed up, I had around, I believe I was about 15 LBC tokens. Within 2 days I amassed over 150 tokens. I got 100 LBC tokens from the daily watch reward, and quite some other tokens from tipping and other incentives. So it's a very generous and benevolent platform. It just keeps giving and giving the higher level you attain. So it's rewarding. So if you have a YouTube channel, it's even better for you. With a lot of subscribers, it's even better for you. Sync your content, you know. I mean, that even if you don't wish to use this platform, but just a form of backup, there's a backup measure. You can do that, earn LBC tokens in the process, and you continue with your YouTube channel. And the thing is, it is automatically synced as well. So if you continuously add new content on your YouTube channel, then it will be synced to your LBRY account in the process. So I think that wraps it up for this one. So feel free to hit that referral link, earn some tokens while giving me some tokens at the same time. And I think I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye bye.